In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're going to walk through how to add an arrow to your document using the built-in drawing tool. This is perfect for callouts, diagrams, and highlighting parts of your content, and I'll keep the process clear and simple so you can follow along confidently. With your document open, start by heading to the top menu and clicking Insert. This is your gateway to everything you can place in a Google Doc beyond plain text, and it's where the drawing tool lives. Once the Insert menu is open, choose Drawing. This option lets you create shapes, lines, and annotations on a canvas that you can then drop right into the page. When the drawing options appear, click New. That opens a blank drawing canvas in a pop-up window. Think of this as your mini design space where you can build the arrow exactly the way you want before it appears in the document. Inside the canvas, look for the Shapes icon in the toolbar and click Shape. This menu holds basic shapes, callouts, equations, and more. We're focusing on arrows, so hover over the arrows category to reveal the built-in styles. Click Arrows, and you'll see several options. Block arrows with different heads and directions. Choose the arrow style that best fits the point you're trying to make. After selecting your arrow, move your cursor onto the canvas and click and drag to draw it. Dragging sets both the size and the direction. If you need it bigger or smaller, use the blue handles on the corners and sides to resize. You can also drag from the ends to stretch the arrow's length. For a cleaner look, try dragging diagonally from a corner so the proportions feel balanced. If you want a perfectly straight arrow, keep your drag motion aligned horizontally or vertically as you resize. Take a moment to position the arrow where it feels right on the canvas. You can fine-tune the layout here so it looks polished when it lands in the document. When you're happy with it, click Save and Close. That places the arrow directly into your document at the cursor location, ready to sit alongside your text and other content. And that's it, done. You've just created and inserted an arrow in Google Docs using the drawing tool. This quick workflow helps you make your documents clearer and more visual without leaving the page. If you repeat the process, you can add more arrows to guide readers through complex information or to emphasize key points. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building cleaner, more communicative docs